Hello, salam. Welcome to Mom's Persian kitchen. It's middle of summer, it's hot. You don't want something heavy for lunch. You want to have something light, delicious, and filling. I have the perfect recipe. It's a cold soup. It's called Abdoogh Khiar. And let's get started. The ingredients are whole milk yogurt, 1 jar. I'm using this brand, but you could use any brand. Greek yogurt works very well too. 1 whole pita bread, dry. You leave it out for a few hours to dry it out, and then you're going to break it into pieces. I'm using 2 cucumbers. I like this kind because they're very juicy and watery, but you could use any kind. So this is the bread that is cut up into small pieces. We're going to use raisin. I have about a cup. I'll probably today use less than that, depending on if you want it on a sweet size or not. Dill, we're going to use it for the garnish on the top. This is about 5 spoons of walnut, crushed. You need herbs, you need lots of herbs. So half a bunch of parsley, tarragon, lots of mints. Mint is a must, but you could use any other herbs that you have. You could use chives, you could use scallion, garlic, 1 clove of garlic, and salt, of course. And let's get started. First, I'm going to put all the yogurt in a beautiful bowl. It's handmade. It's porcelain from my hometown of Hamadan, and I'm going to serve them in these beautiful bowls. And there's water in here, so I keep the water in here. So we're going to just dump the whole yogurt here. We're going to add about half a cup of water. And I'm just going to mix it. You mix it well, okay? Okay, next step is to peel your cucumber. Next, you're going to add your cucumber to your yogurt. You can either chop it very fine or grate it. Today, I am going to grate it. By the way, it is okay for the seeds of the cucumber to be in it too, and then you mix it well. Next, you're going to add your chopped unsalted walnut, which is about 5. I use 5 tablespoons. Beautiful. And you mix it. Next, you're going to add your herbs. You're going to chop them finely and add it. You're ready to add your chopped herbs to your cold cucumber soup and mix it. Next, you will add your raisins, probably about 2 spoons, 3 spoons, about 3 spoons, and mix it. Add your 1 clove of garlic, finely chopped, and salt. I'm going to put about probably 2 teaspoons. And mix it. Add your small pieces of bread that have been dried already and cut into pieces. You don't want to add the bread too early because it might get soggy. So I'm going to add it almost toward the end. And a few pieces of ice to keep it nice and chill, depending how cold you want it, how salty. If you want it salty, add more salt. And mix it. And I like to add some rose petal to it. Not a lot because it's a strong flavor. Not many people like it. If you like it, of course, you add it. It's dry rose petal, and I use the rose petal for the garnishing on top of it too. Your mast khiar or cold soup is now ready to be served. I like to just garnish it with dry dill. Design it whatever you like. Give it a nice look. And I will put my rose petal on top of it too. And enjoy it. Bon appetit. Before you serve your cold soup or Abdoogh Khiar, it's nice to have someone that you love taste it and see what they think of this soup. Today I'm going to ask my lovely husband to taste it. Thank you.
It tastes so good.
Enjoy the Abdoogh Khiar. Thank you for watching the video. This was my third video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.